All right, good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, October 19th. Hard to believe that we are already over halfway through the month of October. Anyways, this is your short weekly video to just walk you through what is expected of you when you are at home and a preview of what's to come when you are here in class. So first of all, you want to make sure you have all of your work done from last week. Make sure that's done and turned in so that when I update your grades are good to go. So you're going to notice there's really two assignments for you this week to work on outside of school. They are both listed on this to-do list slideshow, which will be posted in the Google Classroom. For the first one, you're going to read over information in this website. The website's titled Different Types of Maps. You're going to read through, some of it's going to be review. If you recall from last week in class, we did talk about political maps and physical maps. So read through that information, review it. We'll get into population maps, climate maps, and a little bit into economic maps. If you see a video clip, watch it. Feel free to click on any other links that are in that website. Once you're finished with that, you're going to see a Google form titled Different Types of Maps. You're going to go ahead and complete that. The first question is a written response, and that's where you need to do TLP. If you remember from class on Thursday and Friday, that's titles, labels, purpose. So for that question, you're going to come back to this website and pick any of the maps that are on the website. Pick one of them. Maybe you want to pick this climate map, for example. And then you're going to do TLP. You're going to give me the title, give me one or two important labels, and the purpose, meaning why did a cartographer, why did a map maker make that map? What is it trying to show you? The rest of this form is multiple choice. So you'll be able to see a partial grade once you submit it, but keep in mind that I have to grade the first one. The computer doesn't grade that. So once you finish this, your second assignment for the week is to come and take a look at a website that's titled Urban, Suburban, and Rural. Since we're talking about maps and getting into regions, it's important to understand what those terms mean. What is a region? What are urban regions, suburban regions, and rural regions? Those are especially important when we're looking at population density maps. So I even have a little blurb in here to go more over what is population density. So on this website, again, watch any videos that you see linked, anything like that. Pay attention to the pictures. And then when you're finished, you'll see directions at the bottom of the website, but you'll also see a slideshow that's linked. You're going to make a slide presentation that shows you understand the basic idea behind urban, suburban, and rural regions. Create one slide for each word for a total of 3 slides. Each slide should have the word, its definition, and at least 3 different pictures that show examples of these regions. I hyperlinked the website to this slideshow, but you're going to see this is a blank slideshow. You can change it how you want. The words are already added for you. You need a definition for each one and at least 3 pictures. If you would like to do this by hand, you could also draw the pictures and write out the definitions, just insert a picture on each of these slides. So when you are finished, you always have the option to go back to last week, take a look at that Quizlet, but I do want to go over your lineup for your in-class sessions. So today I have office hours at 12:30 for anyone who has questions about last week's work, this week's work, missing assignments, whatever. It's from 12:30 to 1:30. You can chime in at any time and stay as long as you need. Tomorrow and Wednesday, we're going to look at finishing up GPS from last week, talking about GIS, and getting into something called remote sensing. And then on Thursday and Friday, my plan for right now is to get into some real-time maps, maps that kind of can change in an instant and our users input data into those maps. As usual, watch all videos. All assignments are posted Monday, today, and they're due next Sunday by midnight. Email, comment with any questions, check emails and PowerSchool regularly, and have a good day. Let me know if you need anything.